Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Today we're going to be making some sweet potato waffles. So let's get started. Okay, so we've got the waffle mix. We've got 1/2 cup of water. We got 1/2 cup of the buttermilk mix. Oops. We got 1 teaspoon of oil. And now we're going to add our sweet potatoes. So I've taken some sweet potatoes and I put them in my food processor, and I'm going to be swooping some of this out of the food processor into this bowl. I'm not going to swoop all of it out because I'm going to be using to make some sweet potato pecan pie. So I'm just going to swoop out enough to make the pancakes, the waffles. To this mixture, I added a little bit of cinnamon and about 1/2 cup of sugar. Okay, put that back over there. All right, just mix all this together. I've got my waffle iron warming up. It's a little mini waffle iron that I'm going to be using. So just mix all that together very thoroughly. So I use the pancake mix or the waffle mix to give it some consistency when the waffle cooks. I may need to add just a little bit more water, so I don't want it to be too thick. It won't pour into the waffle maker. So I'm gonna add just a little bit more water. This does. You're just going to have to eyeball it depending on how many it's going to depend on how many sweet potatoes you use, how much of the sweet potato sauce you use. Okay, that looks like it's ready now. Now let me check my waffle maker. It's hot. It feels hot, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to spray it with a little bit of oil, and then I'm going to start pouring it in there. And just pour it in your waffle maker. You don't want to overfill your waffle maker because it'll run out of the size. As you know, if you've ever made waffles before, you know how that happens. So I'm just going to put that much in there. I'm going to shut it down and let it do its thing. So we'll come back when this waffle is done. Okay, and so here you have it. The finished product, sweet potato pancakes. Waffles. I can't get my speech together today. Okay, sweet potato waffles. There you go. All you gotta do is add some syrup, or if you want to add some meat, you can fry up some chicken, put it on top of there, some chicken wings or chicken breast, whatever you'd like to do, just do it. And these sweet potato waffles are delicious, I'm telling you. So thanks for tuning into my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Bon appetit. Okay, the final step is to put your syrup on your sweet potato pancakes. And there you have it. Sweet potato pancakes. Easy recipe. Follow the recipe on YouTube, Ella Dishes It Out, and on Instagram, and I'm on Facebook as well. Thank you. Bon appetit.